right, for your assignment today, you are going to be completing the Algebra Properties Day 2 sheet. The first 6 problems up on top are exactly solved how you did them yesterday in your assignment. You're going to determine whether these are equivalent, and then you're going to tell me what property is applied. And then if not, you're going to explain why, just like you did yesterday. You do now, at the bottom, have 3 word problems that are dealing with the different properties that we're working with, and I'm going to kind of help you through parts of these 3 here, and then you're going to finish them off. So number 7 says a grocery store sells an imported specialty cheese for $11 and its own store brand cheese for $5. Write 2 equivalent expressions for buying one of each of the cheeses and an unknown amount of other groceries. So I'm going to give you a few hints here. When you're grocery shopping, you are adding up totals, right? Grocery shopping, you're adding. Okay, so you add all your total amounts together, and then that's your total amount that you're paying the store to buy all these groceries. Okay, so think about what operation you're using for that. You're also making 2 equivalent expressions, which have to be the same, okay? So that means that when you solve them, even though it's saying in an unknown amount, you would still get the same no matter what the unknown amount is. So the unknown amount of groceries, I would use G as your variable. Okay, so that's your second hint. Your third hint, this problem's worded a little confusing. The way it's worded, you're creating 2 expressions that has this one in one of the expressions and just this one in the other. But what it's saying is, depending on which 2 you buy or which order you put them in, you're still buying an unknown amount of groceries and you're trying to find the total for that. So what I would do is for your third hint, 1 hint, 2 hints, 3 hints, switch the prices around. And I'll give you this part here. So 5 plus 11, and then you have to finish that, 11 plus 5. Okay, now there's something else missing with each one of these, so this is not your answer. These are just some hints to guide you to your answer here. Okay, so if you want to copy these hints down, you are more than welcome to. Pause this right now, and I'm going to continue on with number 8, just giving you some more hints here. Okay, so number 8. Mr. Kenrick made 3 deposits into his account. Deposit. That's one of our key words in our green notes booklet. That's going to tell you what operation you're using. In this order. $460, $185, $240. Show how to use the commutative property to find the sum of the deposits mentally. How would you do this? How would you group them or switch them around or put them in an expression or an equation to solve it mentally? Okay, so keep those few keywords in mind. Number 9, Luzon has 8 fish, 3 cats, and 2 dogs. Write 2 equivalent expressions using the associative property that can be used to find the total number of pets. Okay, so this will probably be the easiest problem on here. You're writing 2 equivalent expressions using the associative property, which means grouping doesn't matter, to find the total number of pets. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Kids in person today, I will be walking around helping you with this, and we'll go over these together. Those of you that are at home, if you want to send me an email with a question, you're more than welcome to. Otherwise, Monday I'll dedicate some time to go over this assignment in class.